Hi all, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to discuss about the topic create a security group using Terraform. So in this session we are going to discuss about the understanding Terraform resources and also creating a group using the Terraform, which is a security group. So I have mentioned everything in this blog. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link, which I will be keeping in the description box. And let's start now. So yesterday we saw how to create Terraform scripts with blocks and resources. Today we will dive deeper into Terraform resources. So understanding what is the Terraform resources is essential here. A resource is in Terraform represents a component of your infrastructure such as a physical server, a virtual machine, a DNS record or an S3 bucket. So resources have attributes that define their properties and behavior such as the size, location of a virtual machine or the domain name of the DNS record. So when you define a resource in Terraform, you specify the type of resource, a unique name for the resource, and the attributes that define the resource. Terraform uses the resource block to define resources in your Terraform configuration. So here, create a security group. To allow traffic to the EC2 instance, you need to create a security group. For creating security group, you can follow these steps that we are going to discuss in this session. So, so you are maintaining some containers, let's say, which is where your application is running. So if you are using a website, some customer wants to access your website, then that accessing part of your website of is what called traffic. Like many customers are want to use your application and place some order, let's say, then the traffic is coming to your application, then you need to have some security group which will not expose to the hackers or whoever the outside. So for that, it will need to be securely accessed to the customers. For that purpose, we are creating a security group here. In your main.tf file, add the following code to create the security group. So here, resource will be AWS security group and the web server. Name prefix will be web server hyphen security group. Using that security group name, we are creating a security group which will be having the from port and to port as 8080 and protocol is a TCP and the CIDR blocks will be the open as you see. So this is a Visual Studio. It will be very easy for you to make changes using this video Visual Studio. So here we are creating a security group using the ports 8080 and the protocol type as a TCP and the CIDR blocks is open. So create the terraform TF file to define the providers. So now the terraform.tf file will be having the providers, which is nothing but the in the previous session I have already explained you how we are defining the providers. So here you can see the provider. It is calling the provider.tf file, which is defined again as AWS, and the region is defined under it. So whatever. So we are creating AWS security group inside in a AWS console, applying the two in a AWS console for the provider AWS in region US East 1. So after every file is configured, like I have shown you in the above, you can run Terraform init to initialize the Terraform project. So after initializing, you can see the Terraform has been successfully initialized message like this. Then run Terraform apply to create the security group. Then in the middle, you will be having the plan step also just for the preview or for any input values if you are given. Then verify the console for the created security group by the Terraform. Then if you go and check the console, security group has been created with some CADR blocks. The protocol type as TCP and port range is 80. So that's how we create a security group in using the Terraform in AWS. Thanks for watching until the end. And if you want to check out this blog and practice hands-on, you can go and check out this blog using this link which I will be keeping in the description box. And thanks for watching.